welcome back to my channel. So if you're new, do not forget to like this video and subscribe, and welcome back to my returning subscribers. I love you guys. So today I will be showing you guys how I achieve a different set of curls with these handy dandy flexi rods. Yes, so I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply them in my hair and also reveal it the next day, how the curls look, and you guys can let me know if you prefer these curls or a flat twist. So I don't use these that often, but sometimes it's nice to switch it up a little bit. So I'm not gonna waste too much time. I will start this tutorial. Alrighty, so I recently washed my hair. So when I say recently, I mean I just washed my hair. I have a birthday party that I'm going to tomorrow, so I figured, you know what, let me just do, like, you know, a nice style, and also I can record it and show you guys how I achieve curls with my flexi rods. I like to put my hair in sections, usually 4 or 6, just depending how much hair you have. You might have to do 3 and 3, or if it's a bit less hair, 2 and 2. But I think when you work in sections, it's more like kind of organized and you can see what you do. Because I just washed my hair, I'm going to apply some leave-in conditioner and also some coconut oil. This is what I'm using. It's in Polish. I bought it at the store in Holland, but at this Polish store. But it's natural coconut oil, and I'm also going to use Soft and Beautiful Botanicals. It's a leave-in conditioner. So one thing about leave-in conditioners, I think a lot of people don't know, or maybe they do, but I didn't know that you can use it as a daily moisturizer as well. And I've started using a lot of almost all my leave-in conditioners, because I remember one time I didn't have any moisturizer, and I kind of like did some research, and you can use a leave-in as a daily moisturizer. So if you're out of a daily moisturizer, you can always pick up a nice bottle of leave-in. So let's moisturize our hair. So after, like, get your hair nice and moisturized, and the reason why I say to moisturize a little bit, because the flexi rods will hold better if your hair has a little bit of wetness to it, because if it's dry it won't stay. Honestly, I don't really have like a way that I do it. I just take some hair out, put it in, and hope it comes out the way that I want it to. But I try to twist it when I show you, like in one direction at least, so then they can fall a particular way. So I'm gonna put about 8 flexi rods in each section. I divided it. So I usually like to take a bigger piece out when I'm parting it, and then I divide it in 2 or 3 if necessary. If you know of a better way to do it, let me know. But you know, every time I do it, it's always different, to be honest. So then you just come a little closer, you just do it like this and try to get it under the hair, and then you twist it, and then you want to do like a spiral effect, so it can be like laying down straight and not curled up. And then you twist it tight, then you bend this one around. So the thing is with these flexi rods, you kind of have to figure out what length works best for you, because like these that I bought, sometimes I think they're still a bit too long for my hair, so maybe a shorter one would have been better. Then I would have less of the piece that's left over here to kind of twist and make it stay in place. So, but it works. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys again with this one. Tangle it a little bit, and then you do like so, and you just twist it straight once so you can stay in place, and then spiral. Then you bend this one like so, and then you bend this one like so, and then it stays. All right, so we're gonna do the ears same way. Alrighty, so we have the first one. Sometimes they come out of place, so because you're moving, so you're gonna have to like fix them so they stay in place. But yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna continue everything else, and then yeah, this probably might take about maybe 30 minutes, depending how fast you are, and if you don't have to redo some of them, about 30 minutes. Sometimes when it gets a bit dry, you can add a little bit more moisturizer just to give it some more grip so it stays on the flexi rod. So for the back, like I said, same thing. You start it like this, wrap it around the ends, and just twirl it one time on it so it can stay in place, and then you move it up diagonally. It's a bit trickier because you can't see it really, but just go with the flow. And make sure like you bring it all the way so it's like tight and secure. And then you bend it like this and twist it around so it stays in place, like so. Alrighty guys, so I finally completed it, and I actually left 3 flexi rods over, so hopefully it'll come out good. Another tip when you're parting the hair to twist it in a flexi rod, you want to part it like not too small, not too big, because when we unravel them we also separate them, so you want them to be at least big enough to be able to separate them at least 3 times for volume. So this is the back, if you guys can see. So yeah, so I'm gonna actually sleep like this. Yeah, I don't know, it might be a bit uncomfortable, but I will manage. Until tomorrow guys, bye. So guys, it's the next day, time to remove these things. Honestly, it was so difficult to sleep with this time around. Like some of them I had to unravel them a little bit so then I can like make it less tighter, but yeah, let's begin unraveling these flexi rods. So just to show you guys a closer look, like this is how it is in its natural form, in its natural state. But then, like I said, we're gonna separate them after we have removed everything. Alrighty, everything is out. So this is how it would look normally, like if you just take out everything, but of course we don't want it like this. So what I advise first of all is get some oil on your fingertips so it can be nice and moisturized, to section out each curl in maybe like 3. That depends how big it is. That's why I said earlier, like keep it like to a medium size, because you want to be able to separate it and not get too much tangles and too much friction, and also to give it more volume. So let's begin. And one more thing, when you're dividing it, you just twist it back to the direction of the curl. So not the opposite, but the same direction. So like so. So guys, this is the final results. Let me just show you a closer look so you can see the curl pattern. I think the curls came out really nice. The only thing is, because my hair has so much new growth, it's a bit shorter. So of course it's day 1. So like, you know, if I pull it, you can see the real length of my hair. But because I have so much new growth, it's like shrink. You know, you natural sisters, you know what it is with shrinkage. So, but in the end, I like the curl pattern. I like the way it came out. I'm feeling the curls. It's nice. It's looking healthy and voluminous. So you can continue opening it more to be even more volume. But for me, it's okay like this. Like I said, this is like day 1. Maybe I might have it out again like tomorrow. So I think it's pretty cute, you know, put some earrings or whatever. And yeah guys, so I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoyed this little flexi rod tutorial. Any comments or suggestions in the section below, and yeah, just tell me if you like it or if you hate it or anything else in particular. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So until next time, bye.